Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, on Cyrus Says, we meet Bhakti Sharma, award-winning swimmer who swam across all the 7 seas and just proves to you Indian women don't want to stay on land in India. And rightly so.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Okay, here on Cyrus Says, I've had enough of people coming and telling me, can we just give you some of our 1,000 rupee notes and 500 rupee notes, all right? If you want to settle debts, don't do this right now. It's not a good climate to do that. Just be open and honest. Don't give us the 500,000 rupee notes. Just give me a check. Just give me a check. I've been saying that from the beginning. I'm actually just talking to the employees here. Because all of us are in the same boat. They're paying us. Help, save us. Somebody understand what we're going through. We want money and he's only paying us in 500 and thousands. That man over there. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
As a young man, by the way, this show is called Cyrus Says. As a young man, many thousands of years ago, I went to Juhu Beach to meet some people. I was just 10 or 11 years old. And I went into the water. And I remember that I almost drowned. And I saw somebody in the background who was swimming. And apparently swimming from Juhu to Versova, which at that time was very difficult to get through because of the garbage.
Yes.
It took about 16 months. There was so much dirt in the water. But Bhakti Sharma, welcome to the show because you're India's most famous sea swimmer.
Thank you so much, Cyrus.
Yeah, but it's amazing. Why would you want to do that? Because just leaving the sea water of India alone for a second, seawater everywhere is contaminated and dirty.
Right.
I've been watching all these shows on TV and I must tell you, all the colors of the seas have changed.
Yes,
when we
they
were
have.
in school, they would tell us blue sea and green sea and all that. There's nothing like that. It's
At
like
least not in India.
dark brown sea is what
Yes.
I normally notice.
So the why probably the person who
Huh.
you saw 11 years ago might have been my mom.
Really? She
So
was one of the first.
No, well, she was a swimmer and she used to do these practice sets often at Juhu and Versova and Godrej area.
So I remember Anita Sood swimming the
She
channel.
was in the same
Because my
batch.
sister used to swim in Otters Club with them. So I
Yeah, my
remember
mom
that.
used to swim with Anita Sood.
What is your mom's maiden name?
Lina Rathod.
Lina Rathod. Okay.
Yeah.
I think it must be a little younger, which means you're even younger. Which means if your grandparents swam, then I would know them because that's our generation. That's the difference.
Thankfully they didn't,
No,
so
they
we don't
didn't.
have to check that.
So your mother was the first person who got into sea swimming.
Yes, she was a swimmer herself and
But she was a normal land
She used to do
pool
both.
swimming.
She used to do pool swimming and she did Sankrok Gateway at that time.
I've also done that once, huh? But
Right.
when I was very young.
So yeah, she was.
They have a
this-
boat that follows us and all that.
To
and they
pick
make us
you up
put all this
mostly.
stuff. Yeah, put all that stuff on our hands and legs for
Yes.
jellyfish to come and not
Jellyfishes.
bite us. Yeah, I managed it, by the way. I was about 10 or 11.
Right,
Yeah.
that's great.
Huh.
I have never done that.
But you've done much further. That's hardly 2 kilometers. Huh. Okay, let's go back in time once again. So your mother was the swimmer.
Yeah.
She was swimming normally in a pool. When did she get interested in sea swimming? Because that was not very popular in India.
I think the entire batch, the Anita Sood batch, they were taken to Juhu and Versova for practice. Mostly, I think, for Sankrok Gateway.
Right.
And at that time, Anita Sood had done the English channel.
Yeah, she was the first one that I remembered.
Yes.
Mihir Sen or something had done it long ago. but-
Aarti Sahai was the first,
Yeah.
and Mihir Sen had done, and Anita Sood had done.
Right.
So my mom was in the same vicinity, and actually she wanted to do the channel herself, but she couldn't because of reasons, whatever. So
Because mostly what I remember is that people sea swimming were Bangladeshis trying to come back to Bengal. But that was not counted as a competition and no one took it seriously.
right.
But I'm just trying to think, there was not much of a culture. Anita Sood was the one name we do
Yes,
remember.
yes.
Your mother did it also. So she actually swam? She swam...
No, actually, I swam first at the age of 16. I swam the English Channel. And then 2 years later, we were doing a relay. A fellow swimmer from Jodhpur had come saying that I want to do
Firstly,
the
you're
channel.
from Rajasthan. There's
Yes.
no sea in Rajasthan.
Yes.
It doesn't make sense, this entire conversation.
My
You should
entire
be
life
riding a-
doesn't make sense.
You should be riding a camel. Please explain to us geographically, these are all wrong references. Why is a Rajasthani girl swimming? There's no
because her
water.
mother
Forget
is
sea,
from
there's पानी तो
Bombay.
नहीं है वहाँ पे. How do they swim? They get one balti, put the girl in. I hope those practices have stopped. Huh. Yeah.
Thankfully, I come from a city of lakes.
Right.
So we got plenty
Udaipur?
of... Yes.
Oh, beautiful city.
Yes, it is.
Huh. So you actually practice in lakes?
Yeah.
Is that anything similar to seas?
It's as dirty.
Yeah, but that wave ka effect and all is there which pushes you around.
Sometimes if
no?
the weather is bad, otherwise not. So
But the
it's
good thing is when you swim in the sea, you don't have any people around. That must be a comfort.
people.
Yeah, there's no human beings to irritate you.
Yeah, that gets a pretty little lonely when you're swimming for 14 hours.
Okay, now we're going far ahead. Let's go back again. At 16, you were swimming the English Channel. Tell us about the preparation and all that. I presume you were a normal swimmer doing the pool swimming till then.
Right.
And you were obviously very good because you come from a swimming background.
Right.
So that all is there.
Yeah.
Where was the confidence? Firstly, how much is it?
English Channel on paper is 36 kilometers.
Okay,
But
36 kilometers. So
Yeah.
in Mumbai terms, it's like from Navy Nagar to Warsaw and more. My God.
probably.
Yeah.
But it's never a straight route that you follow because of the currents and whatever. So it always goes zigzag. So my swim came about 46 kilometers.
So you actually swam 46 kilometers.
Right.
And it's ice cold, right?
No, not really. It starts with around 12 or 13 degrees, and when I finish, it was somewhere around 8 or 9 degrees.
Okay, so take us to the preparation now. Once you decided to do this, you have to go and live in England or France or something?
Yeah, but so actually, when I was 14, my mother told me that there's something called the English Channel, and that's all the knowledge she had.
That any school will tell you also. You
Yeah,
don't have to come
so
home.
she didn't have any idea what kind of preparation we need, and
But
she's
what kind
not
of 14-year-old wants to swim? Didn't you want to like find out about boys and clothes and I don't know,
the
TV?
kind of
and-
14-year-old who has a very strict mother.
Okay, so you're not allowed to think about anything but sea.
No, yeah. So I had been swimming since I was 2.5, and I had been competing at national levels. But the pools shut down during winters in Udaipur.
Right.
So we actually requested the pool owners to keep the pool open, like not empty the pools. And we used to try and do the swims till November or December, the practice session. So she saw that I am building up a resistance for cold, and I was always a lambi race ka ghoda. So she introduced the idea of sea swimming, and when I was 14, as a practice swim, I did Uran to Gateway of India, which is 16 kilometers. And next month,
Without preparing, you just
yeah,
swam it.
just in the pool.
Okay.
I did about 5
You
hours.
practiced
6
stamina in the pool and then you
Yeah.
just did the swim in the sea
Yes.
for the first time and you did it.
Yes.
But wasn't it tougher?
It was actually a lot of fun, maybe because I was really young and it was a first experience, and I was so bored of the pool that the sea was actually
So
a
what, a
welcoming
boat, how do
change.
you know where you're going? A boat sort of guides
Yeah,
you?
yeah. There's actually a boat that is
And what
accompanying
about
me.
food and drink? 16 kilometers, how long will it take?
It took me 4.5 hours.
So do you need to drink something in between? No?
Yes, so like a monkey in a zoo, there's a long
Lovely reference.
pole
Yes. Yeah.
and a basket attached at the end of
So
the pole.
they throw a pole out and you like a bhikhari, you go and find something and you drink what you
Yes.
can and put it back in.
Yes.
Right. And what about what kind of animals are there, marine life nearby?
You can't see any in the Bombay Sea, of course, but
And they can't see you either because it's so polluted.
Yeah.
And they're mostly dying and choking around you. Ah!
so 2 actually died in my costume.
Like what, jellyfish?
No, they're small fishes.
They came into the costume and then died.
Yeah, so after
It became a net for them. They got actually caught.
I don't know how, but after 36 kilometers of my swim, I was very hungry. So from Gateway, we came to Andheri, had my lunch and everything. So by 6 o'clock in the evening, I went to take a shower, and when I got out of the costume, there were 2 fishes in my
What are you
costume.
saying? Hours later, you took off your clothes and you
I
found
was
fish falling out of
basically
it.
carrying fishes in my costume.
You're like Donald Trump, you don't care about the environment, you killed 2 fish, you just walked away. And by the way, you have red hair, so you're close to him.
Oops.
We'll come to that red hair a little later.
Oops,
So
yes.
you've done the Uran swim 16 kilometers, but this is
Yeah.
a whole different culture. You're going to another world.
Right.
And you hear all kinds of stories. So how did you prepare? You went where? You went to England?
We went to England,
Huh.
and we stayed in Dover, from where the swim usually starts.
Right.
We stayed there for a month. And
So who pays, may I ask, who pays for all this?
this was English Channel was completely my parents and loans
Oh,
and
it's all
everything.
personal thing?
Yeah, yeah.
No,
No,
so no
sponsors.
sponsor.
No.
Then why do you do it?
'Cause
I mean,
I'm-
end of the day, with due respect, I mean, it's a great achievement and all that,
Yeah.
but you get nothing out of it.
yeah, you don't
You
actually.
get 2 fish.
2 fish, but it's like any other adventure sport. You do it because you want to do it.
And because the mountain is there, you have to climb it.
Yes.
Nobody can ask,
Yes.
tell you what to do.
Exactly.
Okay. So you go to Dover. How do you practice? You just swim in the area.
There is a beach, the Dover beach, which is open for swimmers who are practicing for English Channel. So I used to do about 4 hours in the morning, 5 hours in the evening, like that, in the
Proper sea swimming?
In the proper sea.
And how long would it have taken you if you had done 36 kilometers? It was how much?
My English Channel swim was 13 hours and 50 minutes.
And it should have been that much, but you did 10 kilometers extra.
Yeah, but it all depends on the weather and the sea that day. So I was basically
let's,
stuck.
For people listening, let's understand the challenge here.
Right.
You get into the pool and you do not, the sea.
Yeah.
And you do not stop swimming for 36 hours.
14 hours.
For 14 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. So for 14 hours, you cannot sleep, you can do anything, you just have to swim.
Yes.
But is that like possible? I mean, don't you feel tired?
That's why you need to train a lot.
But can't you take a break, go into the boat for some time?
No, then you're
But can't you
disqualified.
cheat? Who'll know?
The observer who's sitting on the boat.
She gives some money. We're Indians. What is there?
They're not, na?
That time 500 rupee notes, 1000 rupee notes were accepted. You should have thought about all this the right time.
I wish I had met you before that.
So 14 hours. And you do it in day? You do like to do it as much as possible in the day?
Yeah,
Daylight?
it depends on the tides and everything. So you usually start very early in the morning, like 4 o'clock in the morning or 5 in the morning, and then you finish by the day.
So 4 to almost 7, 8 in the night.
Yeah.
Now there are sharks in that area, right?
Not in the English Channel, but there are jellyfishes, which are the biggest danger.
And so how do you protect yourself from jellyfish?
Nothing.
Or they don't touch Indians?
No, you're
They're racist. Well, we don't like Indians. You can go.
I think that's what happened to me because I wasn't stung.
So no, nothing came. Like you had the 2 fish in the Uran swim. Nothing here.
No.
Octopus, squid.
No. I actually saw jellyfishes swimming under my stomach. But
What's the story with jellyfish? Do they not want to harm you, or what is the story? I know we all get this fear of jellyfish, but we don't even know anything about them.
No, actually their tentacles sting.
Right.
So if you are on top of them,
Mm-hmm.
then there's no chance of them stinging you. So I've been very lucky. Even during my swim in Iceland or English Channel, I've seen jellyfishes under my stomach and constantly prayed that they don't come up.
But there's no protection. You're not wearing anything which
No,
can
no.
stop the sting.
No.
What about the spray? I remember they sprayed all of us when we did the Dharamtar to Gateway swim.
No,
There was some
was no
spray,
spray.
anti marine life spray that they put on you. The smell.
Nothing on me.
to
Just
keep-
the grease, like white Vaseline,
Huh.
to prevent from rashes and the salt
So there's
water.
nobody with in case there's something that attacks you, there's nothing there to protect you.
No.
And there's nobody who swims with you as a you know.
No, in a solo swim, nobody swims.
They can't even like help you gauge your speed and all that.
No, nothing.
Amazing. Were you scared?
Yeah, I go through an entire spectrum of emotions while I'm swimming. So I start with excitement, then it started raining. So when my mom gave me the feed, I like, किस उल्लू के पट्टे ने बोला कि आज perfect weather है swimming करने के लिए because it was constantly
Oh, so
raining.
you all had planned for this day and it was barish.
Yeah.
What are you saying? I thought the English are very good with their weather predictions.
Yeah.
You listen to home news. You were checking one of our news channels, wasn't it? Huh?
So my pilot was actually like, today is the perfect weather for a swim. So I think for them rain is like
They don't want the
घर
sun.
की बात है.
Okay.
तो, so it started raining. So there's cold water नीचे, cold water coming from ऊपर. So then frustration, then anger, then hunger, then
And you're not trying to break any record with the speed or time. It's just complete the race, right?
We of course try, but it doesn't always happen. You have to have the perfect weather, the perfect sea to break a
Does
record.
the British government give you any money
No,
when you completed?
no.
But if you end up in France, shouldn't they be happy because you've left England? I mean, isn't that what they want with most Indians?
I'm not
वो तो गया अभी बहुत अच्छा.
I'm not even supposed to stand on the French coast for more than 2 minutes.
So what? You have to, what happens? They pick you up, put you in the boat.
Yeah.
So you don't have a visa? Is that it? Nobody thought it through. You swim from London to France and then suddenly they're like, oh God, paperwork nahi hai. Oh, typical Indian story again. Please, follow the rules, yaar. We are spoiling our name across the world like this. Follow the rules. But what is the feeling like? You said you're making light of this. It's a huge achievement. So you're getting, you get scared.
Yeah.
Then the things are not working out the way you planned it. The rain has come and all that.
I was
So do you
stuck
feel
for
like
1.5
backing off
hours in the same place.
means you can't swim.
So the currents were coming from the other direction and I was trying to swim straight and they were dragging me on the left hand side. So instead of going straight, I was just stuck in one place even though I was constantly swimming.
So you, as much as you swam, they were stronger than you and they would just
Yeah.
push you to the other direction.
Yeah. So if...
And you have to rectify that whole thing. You go this way and then come back this way.
Right. So I was trying to
You
go
were doing
straight.
hand movements. It's an audio program. No one can understand what I'm saying. You go this way, go that way.
I'm understanding. So
Only
it
you and I
helps.
understand. Yeah.
So
Are
I
they
was,
shouting at you from the boat? Are they shouting instructions? Is there something Bhakti, aise karo, waise karo? Somebody's saying something?
yeah.
I mean,
And
to
also
motivate you.
I had a really good connection with my pilot who drives the boat. So his entire focus is on me and they don't allow you to wear even tinted goggles because
Why?
he needs to see your eyes if
in,
you're
in
okay.
case you're not well.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever drowned like that?
Yeah, people have...
What are you saying?
Recently a
This is all
man...
part of the British government's Brexit. They make people swim. Indian, swim. Pakistani, swim. I'm telling you. Is it true?
No, people have actually drowned.
But they're
and
trained
died.
swimmers who drown.
Yeah.
So why?
I don't know all the reasons, but recently a guy who was a very good swimmer, like a professional triathlete and a swimmer, he had a heart attack, I think,
Oh,
during
like that.
the swim.
Like something happens,
Yeah.
a cramp or something going wrong.
Cramp happens,
So that's
you
where
get hypothermic.
So the pilot is watching to make sure that doesn't happen, quickly drag you out of the water, is it?
Yes.
And who else is there? So your parents are there in the boat?
My parents were there. There was an observer from the English Channel Swimming Association who writes every detail down, from how many strokes I'm taking every hour to how many ships, what ships have crossed us during the swim.
And what are the typical Rajasthani bridegroom to be and all that? There's not watching from observing from there?
No.
I thought they were trying to do two things with one stone. See, she can swim. Okay, let's see.
बेटा चाय लाके दिखाओ कि बेटा
वो तो
स्विमिंग
बाद में
करके
हो सकता है
दिखाओ.
यार. अब अगर दरिया में स्विम कर सकते हैं तो और भी कर सकता है ना. There's no worry.
Right.
Let's take a quick break. We'll come back with
Sure.
lots more to talk about. You're from all the seas, which is something you have to understand. I think there are 7 seas. I haven't counted, but I'll just check right now on
Sure.
Google, and when we come back, we'll discuss it.
Yeah.
Bhakti Sharma, she swims where no man has gone before, and for obvious reasons.
Hi, I'm Ambika.
And I'm Hoshna.
Come journey with us around India as we chat about new and offbeat destinations, from secret islands to village stays, give you travel tips and advice, discuss all the yummy and weird food we've sampled, and induce some serious wanderlust.
So tune in to the Rediscovery Podcast.
New episodes out every Monday on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app you like.
All right, on Cyrus Says, we're with Bhakti Sharma, who's a swimmer who's crossed all 7 seas. Are you the only Indian to have done this?
No.
But very few people have in the whole world. In any
Yeah,
case.
actually, there are a lot of seas, close to 100 seas and channels.
100 seas?
Yeah. There
But the
are
alphabet में तो एक ही sea है. I just want to tell you.
No, we have that song Saat Samandar Par, इसलिए like there are only 7
That's also
seas.
wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the
100 seas. Are you right? Is this correct?
there have to be more than.
So what the hell is this Sat Samudar nonsense they tell us? But let's just tell people who you are. You're the youngest swimmer in the world and the first swimmer from Asia to swim in Antarctica, which you did in 2015 in Jan.
Yes.
Youngest swimmer in the world. So that's like a world record. And the first Asian swimmer. Now, I want to ask you, why would you want to swim in Antarctica?
Because after I did the English Channel, I came to know about the 7 seas. Actually, Bula Chaudhary from Calcutta is another
She
swimmer.
used to swim with my sister. Yeah, of course. Yeah,
so
yeah.
she's done 8 seas, 7 seas, 8 seas. So somebody told us about her, and then we got this idea of, let's try to do this again. And in the same time, I heard about this guy called Louis Pook. He's a South African swimmer, and he was the one who's done swims in all 5 oceans and North Pole and South Pole. So I get very bored of doing the same thing over and over again. So I said, if I'm going to swim in 7
You're a
seas...
swimmer. It's the same repetitive action. Tak, 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 tak.
That's why I go in different
seas.
seas. Change of environment, if not change of activity. So I said, if I'm going to do 7 seas, I will try to cover all the 5 oceans.
Right.
So by 2011, I had done 4 oceans. Antarctica
Again,
was...
who's paying for all this? It's all your personal money.
For Antarctica, I got sponsors. But before that, mostly personal money and loans and all that.
Wow. So let's look at Antarctica separately first, because that's a huge achievement.
Right.
It must have been ridiculously cold.
Yes.
Okay, first, I still don't understand why you want to do it. But anyway, so how do you prepare? You go into your fridge, put your head in for 5 minutes, what?
I've done some crazy things.
Please
For
tell us.
Antarctica, the idea was to go to a place like Kashmir or somewhere where it's really cold and, I can swim.
But it's safer to be in the water than out.
Yeah, probably. So we were looking at places like Dehradun and Kashmir and wherever it was possible. But because I didn't have
But where do you
sponsors...
swim in Dehradun?
In any lake or in a
Acha.
pool.
But is there anything close to Antarctica? I mean...
However close we could get. So that
Okay.
was the idea. But we didn't have sponsors. So I couldn't move from Udaipur because I was trying to get sponsors and training at the same time. So what I did was I bought a small picnic pool.
What are you saying? What the kids have?
Yes.
And you put ice in it?
Yes.
I knew this. It sounds like a bakra. This is only Indians can do this. So you actually
It's
have like a
jugaad.
kiddie pool, you put ice inside, and that's how you train for Antarctic.
Right. And
And you stay as long as you can inside to see
so
how...
the first day I put 15 tons of ice in
my
the
God.
night, and next morning the temperature was 9 degrees, so I was comfortable with that because I had done Arctic before that. So I just went and sat there like a spa, and I sat there for 20-25
Like a
minutes.
spa,
Yeah. And so then I got really confident, and the next day I said I'm going to bring down the temperature, and we put 20 tons of ice and reduced the amount of water that we were mixing with it. So the temperature came to about 4 degrees Celsius. And the moment I entered, I realized this is not going to happen.
No, but you're moving when you're swimming. Here
No,
you're just
but
sitting.
in the kiddie pool, it's not deep. So I can't swim. And it's like a round thing. So I'm like a goldfish
So how long
in the
did the goldfish last inside?
2 minutes.
And you have to come out.
Yeah.
My God. So experiment failed.
Yes.
So what next?
So then we hunted for pools and eventually found a pool inside somebody's house. And every night we used to put 20-25 tons of ice in that, and next morning I used to swim.
But you would swim actually movement
Yes.
non-stop.
Yes. So it was like a 15-meter pool.
Okay. So what was the temperature?
4-5 degrees.
And was that the temperature you're expecting in Antarctic?
I was expecting 1, which was actually 1 was the temperature when I swam.
It was.
Yeah, between 0
So
to
when
1.
you first dipped into the Antarctic, what did you feel?
I was supposed to feel this hyperventilation, like saans,
Yeah.
as when you put
All
cold
that.
water on that.
Correct.
But because of my training and mental training and all that, I didn't hyperventilate at all. And when I started swimming, the first thing that struck me was how salty the water was, because it was all the glaciers melting and coming into the ocean, and I didn't take that into account during my training. So the water was really heavy. And for
But there were ice pieces around you.
yeah.
But did you get hit? Like, did you get hit by the ice with your
I
hand?
got nicked by one of the ice, and I still have a frostbite on my calf
My
from
God.
that.
So
So
carry a bottle of whiskey or something with you, no? You have a drink in the middle. And you've got ice, you've got water. it's
Tanda
salty around.
karke. And I was swimming with a penguin, so I would have offered.
There was a penguin?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Were they friendly?
Yeah, it swam with me for 25 minutes, didn't do anything to me.
It swam alongside you?
Yeah.
Like a pet?
Yes.
What are you saying? How sweet. And then it just,
I think it was probably curious that ये कोई बड़ा चीज है, but it's not
Yeah.
eating me.
it felt that you have penguin potential, but he wasn't sure कि कहाँ से आ गया, कौन सा race का penguin है. No?
And the
Just-
people on the boat teased me by saying it must have been a male penguin.
Yeah, attracted to you. Fair enough. Probably a lot better than the males you're going to land up meeting the rest of your life. So how long is that swim, the Antarctic one?
41 minutes.
41 minutes.
Yeah.
And how did you feel when you finished that? Were you completely finished
Yes.
because of the
that
cold?
would be the word.
Yeah.
I
So what
was
do they do? They massage you and all that? How do they get the warmth back?
I was hypothermic, and when they took me out, I was like a big blob of muscles just.
Wow. Huh.
And
And the penguin was laughing. Ha ha ha! Watch me do it again.
so they carried me to the ship ka hospital, and
God, who does this? I mean, this is your hobby. You finish doing it, they carry you to the hospital. I mean, you're worse than a heavyweight boxer. I mean, what's the point? So then they drain the cold out of you? How?
so they start with hot water showers from my feet, and
You showed
then
pictures of Rajasthan. Ye dekh. In the summer.
no, they were actually asking me which year are you in, what's your name.
Oh, they're
which-
worried that you lose your consciousness.
Yeah,
and all, is it?
because if I slept, I would have slept, gone into a coma or something.
Are you
like
serious?
That. So
You
it's
can't
like how you admit a person in the emergency ward. You try to keep him awake. So that's
But in
exactly.
India, it takes a lot of paperwork. So thank God you were in Antarctic and ended fast.
No, I had a lot of paperwork to do.
Really?
Yeah.
And again, then this was like people feature this on TV or something in that part of the world?
That part of the world, Antarctica,
There's nothing.
nothing.
Yeah.
But got a fair amount of publicity
So
here.
then, when you finished the swim, which is the nearest port? Where did you go?
To the ship.
The ship itself, and then you have to
Yes.
go back to civilization.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the ship was not solely for me. It was a tourist ship,
Right.
which starts from Argentina. So I was
Okay.
along with 100 other people who were just there to.
I'm not bothered about whether you're suffering or not.
Yeah. So when they were on the land watching penguins and everything, I was given a window of 2 hours that you finish your swim and come back to the ship. Otherwise, they would have left me. Nah, probably not.
So you'd have had a penguin for life.
Yes.
Look at the good side of the whole thing. All right, now let's look at all the seas you swum. Take us through everyone briefly. So you've done Antarctic. You've done, of course, English Channel. Everybody knows about.
Yeah.
Antarctic is the coldest. Arctic is also done.
Yeah.
Oh, is that as cold?
No. Arctic was 9.
Anything that stands out about that?
Jellyfishes, very beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Very beautiful water. And actually, I did Arctic swim at an island called Grimsey.
Mm-hmm.
So it's, on the globe, there's this circle. Arctic Circle.
I'll pretend like I know because I can't remember anything. I haven't done geography exams since 1978 or something. No.
Even I am very bad with geography.
You swum 7 seas, you have some idea.
I just know where to go and swim.
I know that we have a Juhi Beach and Marine Drive and both I don't want to enter.
So people actually go to that place to like walk over the Arctic Circle, and they so I swam over the Arctic Circle.
And how long was that swim?
It was 35 minutes, about 2 point something.
So you realize
kilometers.
now you can't do normal swimming because you got these challenges. Your mind is like in this state of mind where you need to keep challenging yourself. It
Yeah, so
appears.
now I'm training for the Olympics, but the 10-kilometer race.
But that's not sea. Is that sea?
It's sea.
Okay. So what are the other seas that you've done? So then?
So the Arabian Sea in Bombay.
Oh, that's terrible. Then?
The Mediterranean Sea in Spain. So I swam from Spain to
That was
Morocco.
warm temperatures?
No.
So you never get warm temperatures. Everywhere it's...
No, I've done warm temperature swims in US. I've done the swim around Key West and Gulf of Mexico.
How many sea swims have you done, Bhakti Sharma? In all?
8, I think.
8. And
Yeah.
how many more do you want to do?
Just the Olympics for now.
The Olympics.
Yeah.
All right. And which is now 2020.
20, right?
And Tokyo.
Yes.
Okay. And the conditions, where will the swim be?
They have a marine park in Tokyo.
So it will be more like a area which you're repeating the swim in?
Yes,
like a round-
it's usually a 2.5 kilometer stretch.
Your
so
request
you,
for a penguin has been accepted?
Not yet.
But now you'll be swimming with other people, right? Am I right? It'll
Yeah,
be a
I'll be
competition.
competing.
And the speed is important. So how will you train for this?
So that's why I'm here in Bombay. I'm training here, and then probably next year I'll
But
be
here
training
you practice in
Bombay.
the Arabian Sea, you can't see your competitors. There it'll be clear sea. They have worked it out to make it look pretty for
No,
television.
here I'm only training in the pool right now. From next year, I'll probably train in US, where they have more facilities and resources for
And if
sea
the government
swimming.
of India is listening and gives you enough money, you can permanently reside there and train properly.
Yeah.
And spend money on Japan 2019 to 2020 preparing
That's
for it.
the plan.
That should be the plan.
Yeah.
What happens then to other life? Bhakti Sharma has a boyfriend, marriage, what?
No, not yet. And
You're
I've
married
given...
to the sea. Don't say that, I'll strangle you.
No,
Don't say that.
I'm not at all married to the sea, but
Huh.
I've given myself another 4 years, so no marriage for another
Till
4 years.
2020, you don't want to look at that. But there's no boyfriend?
No.
Well, because in other ways, you look like a typical young girl. You've got this red hair. What's
Yeah.
it called? These highlights, is it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be
And you-
purple, but the color is faded.
I'm sorry, I have no sense of color. It's purple. And that tattoo?
Yeah, it says Soñadora in Spanish, which means a dreamer.
Okay. So
And-
you've got all that going for you, and there's no boy on the. But of course, boys will be challenged because you're my girlfriend, sea swimmer. It's a little difficult to explain.
No, but in that matter also, I'm just like any other girl. But,
Huh.
I wouldn't like think that I should get all the attention or
and
something
Michael
like
Phelps
that.
is already married, so you
Unfortunately,
missed out on that
yeah.
one board.
Yes.
Ian Thorpe ka ho nahi sakta hai, because I heard he doesn't. He
Yeah.
swims the other way, so that's gone.
Ryan Lochte is also.
But he's got all kinds of controversy, no? After that.
Yeah, but he also has a fiance. So
yeah. But he was the big what's it called, sex symbol of swimming in America.
This year especially
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
Rio, yeah.
And then he misbehaved, drank some alcohol.
Yeah,
and
robbery case
His
and
story
all
is
that.
different.
Yep.
Is there someone you look up to now that you mentioned all these names? Is there some swimmer that is your idol?
Yeah, I definitely look up to Phelps. Like that's a given.
Unbelievable, no?
Yeah.
Who can do that? 2,000 gold medals. I mean, who wins so many medals?
Especially what he did this year
Coming
at
back
the age
after
of
retiring,
31.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So that I can relate to that because when I plan to do the Olympics, I'll be 30. So
Wow. And which is your favorite stroke? Obviously, you have to swim freestyle in the sea.
my favorite is actually backstroke in pools.
So do you ever break into backstroke in the middle of your sea swim just for a little while to take a break from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
boredom of one stroke?
Yeah,
Yeah?
sometimes.
Breaststroke for sure you must be doing in the middle just to rest.
Yeah, usually when I'm taking the feed, I get into a breaststroke mode. But the more I change the swim, the more rhythm is broken.
So here's something you can do. You can be the first swimmer to swim all the 7 seas backstroke. Nobody's done that. Of course, you need someone to keep telling you where you're going. You
Yeah.
be very careful because you're reversing basically from start to finish.
That's a good idea.
Good idea, na? Guinness Book of World Record. Bhakti, you've been excellent. Thank you for being here on this
Thank
show.
you
We've
so
learned
much,
so much from
Cyrus.
you. I hope the government supports you and you
Sure.
get all the funds you need because I know it's an expensive sport. But keep swimming because
you.
the less Indians there are on land, the better it is for all of us. So go into the sea. We're overpopulated. God bless you. Take people with you.
Thank you so
But
much.
before we go, we have an AMA section where we ask you questions about things other than the sea. So stay
Okay,
where you are.
all right.
Hello there, my name is Naveen Narona, and as a gay person in India, I get asked a lot of stupid questions.
Beta, is it LGBT or eligibility?
How do two men procreate?
Bro, is Grindr better than Tinder or what?
We answer all these questions and much more on my podcast, Keeping It Queer, where I talk to individuals from the LGBT community in India and learn about their personal stories. Catch all the episodes on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app you like. Till then, keep it queer.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Okay, we've got Amit with us here to take care of the AMAs, but I have to tell you, Amit, about this young girl, Bhakti.
Okay.
Her biggest feat, well, some people think, is that she and her mom were the first mother-daughter pair to swim across the English Channel.
Okay.
My mother and me haven't had a bath together. And thank God for that. They've done a channel swim together. I mean, that's amazing.
That is kind of insane,
I
actually.
don't think that's the only mother-daughter team in the history of the world.
Yeah.
There are mothers chasing their daughters, but they stop at the sea. Like, okay, come. You want to marry him? Marry him! Never want to see your face again. What have we got?
Okay. So the first question we have is, why aren't you as Twitter savvy as other celebrities? This is from Abraham Verghese.
You answer this question.
I don't know the answer to that. You're so you constantly have like tweets popping through your head, but you don't just do them.
I'm electronically challenged. I can't fix the toaster. I've always had a hatred towards it.
So it's just
I don't know how to get over it.
Just so everybody who's listening knows, Cyrus, the original Cyrus account is Board Brocha. It's not that Bakra Man or anything else.
Yeah.
Those are good accounts, but still, Cyrus's main account is
they're
Board
better
Brocha.
accounts, but unfortunately
they put stuff up on it.
We can't monetize it.
Yeah,
We're trying
exactly.
to.
That's it. But Board Brocha is Cyrus's account, and you should follow
yeah.
Cyrus on Twitter and then tweet at him. Hopefully, you'll see some of these.
And Amit is
messages
coaching me, and
start
hopefully at some point I'll catch up with the rest of the world. But I think of myself as Bangladesh. There's still time.
No,
to
but
go.
I mean, like seriously, I think you should, because you constantly have like tweets floating through your head. Like
All the
every
time.
second thought of yours is a tweet.
It's just disgusting.
Yeah, so I mean, like,
it's
you
always
should.
painful.
How active
Bhakti
are
has
you
given
on-
up swimming after 1 hour with me.
Are you active on Twitter?
I am,
Yeah?
but not very active.
Not very active.
No.
Yeah, even I'm not.
But she's a very lonely sport. She needs all the
She needs,
integration she can get.
that is true.
Because you spend hours and hours just swimming like an idiot alone.
Yeah.
She spent the best quality time last year was with a penguin in the Antarctic.
Okay.
She spent 45 minutes with a penguin swimming next to her, and they were chatting and they had a good time.
So it's only normal that I find it hard to interact with humans.
Of
now.
course.
After that.
After that prestigious moment, I can not blame you.
Yeah. Okay. All right. The next question is: what if Donald Trump and Shiv Sena started a new saffron brigade? What would happen?
Yeah,
Kinda
he would fit in.
Orange.
Well,
I see a lot of orange.
You've already seen Apki Bar, Trump Sarkar, or whatever he did that day.
Trump Sarkar.
So I think he'll fit in with a lot of our political parties, not just the right-wing ones. He'll fit in everywhere.
Yeah, I think he
because
will.
we're similar. We make the
Yeah.
promises, or we say things
we don't
and
care.
don't mean them, or
Yeah,
it doesn't
I
matter.
guess that's true.
Accountability not being an issue. Donald Trump is safe here. And let's see, Bhakti, what are your views on? Do you have any views on these strange people who've taken over the world?
Yeah, I was shocked as everybody else.
Yeah. We've gone from a world of Manmohan Singh and Obama to a world of Narendra Modi and Trump.
Would you challenge him to a swim? Would you challenge Donald Trump to swim off with you?
No, I wouldn't want that.
You'd rather have the penguin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. If you're going to have one song to get stuck in your head forever, what song would that be?
Yeah, but the marginal utility of the product will get killed if you hear it again and again and again.
Yeah, why
That's
would
why
you want
I don't
that?
know how scriptures survive. I don't know how religious tones survive. You say the same thing again and again. I think after something you're just pretending. You're scared to tell other people I'm bored of the religion. But you can't
That's
take
true.
it anymore.
That makes sense to me, actually, yeah.
But I'll tell you what I won't want. There's a song from the 90s when I was growing up called Please Don't Go. You remember that?
Please don't go.
And it repeats Please Don't Go 20 times or something. I hated that song. Because it, please don't go, please don't go, don't go. I'm like, go! Just go!
Well, actually, I had a similar reaction to that going to Ibiza song. That used to get stuck in my head, and I
loops
just
on its
would
own.
not go
Exactly.
off, man. That song was just the
Terrible.
most annoying song.
But the worst is when you take flights and you hear the same song because they play only 3 songs without stopping. And the same song stays in your head forever, whether you like it or
Even
not.
if just the instrument.
Just the instrument, it just stays there, it goes on in your
So
head.
when we used to record at Famous Studios, they used to have this elevator music,
Yeah.
and there was a really popular song. And thank God I can't remember what song that is because I'd get stuck in my head again. But then all of a sudden I'd be like humming that song to myself, be wondering where the hell did I hear this song for the longest
Yeah.
time? And then it's like elevator music, and you hear it every damn day. So it was
Most of them have that Beethoven one. Ting, 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 ting.
yeah.
ting,
That,
ting,
thank
ting.
you very much.
Like, that's the only thing he ever composed, poor chap, yeah. See what she goes through. She's swimming, it's swimming in her head. Yeah. Do you listen to music while swimming? Is that possible with technology now?
You have waterproof iPods, but I've
So would
never
you?
heard to. No, I've.
But why didn't you try that? I mean, wouldn't that be nice? Have you haven't even tried it?
Yeah, you
No.
can listen to podcasts on the while you're swimming.
Yeah. You might
Yeah,
want to drown
I
yourself in the middle. When like, okay, I'm going in.
Yeah. No, I haven't.
We will
tried to.
sponsor your iPod. Amit
Yes,
will
please.
pledge
A
to
waterproof
sponsor the
iPod, please.
How much will it cost?
It's a good question.
I don't know. 14K, I think.
14K?
Yeah.
Amit will do something. Come on, do this much. Don't leave it to the
I have
penguins.
no idea.
All right.
All right, cool. That's all I
That's
got.
all we have. Bhakti, we'll see you soon across the channel.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps, please. We beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called me.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Okay, if you want to know what's happening in the city and your parents are too old to guide you, look no further. The Podcast will tell you about culture, happening scenes, dates, events, and much more. Podcast, keep you clued in. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Happy listening, mother and fathers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out IVM Podcasts to catch some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.